I think that ether, matter in space, may be real, and there is a link between the wave nature of particles and ether. The Michelson-Morley type experiment cannot detect it, but I think that there is another possible way to detect its presence. More details are given in the description. I would like to discuss such a possibility and request your kind attention. I think that space is filled with ether, and because of gravity, every massive body, for example, Earth, maintains a denser region of ether around it. Its density will be more near a body, and it decreases with distance. Between 1923 to 1927, Davison and Germer, and independently G.P. Thomson have performed experiments with electron beams and demonstrated that moving electrons can act like a wave. I think that perhaps the collision of electrons with the tiny ether particles in space caused the electrons to behave like this. When a particle travels from point A to point B in space, because of the collision with the ether particles, its path will become turbulent and chaotic. If we follow it, we will get a wave-like diagram. Perhaps this can explain the wave-like behavior of particles. We saw that there may be an ether density difference between a body's near regions and far regions of space. A particle's wavelength, when it travels through two different density regions, may be different. Therefore, two similar matter wave experiments, one on Earth and one on an orbiting satellite, may yield different wavelengths. If this is the case, it may provide evidence for matter in space. Space research organizations can verify this effect, and I request your kind attention.